Hi guys, I'm Bannie Kang. I'm your bartender today. I'm going to share with you one cocktail, one mocktail you can make very easy at home. Let's get started. So let's start with non-alcohol first. So the first step is you need to pour your grapefruit mixture. So I already measured 2 ounces, which is 16 ml. And you need to prepare your crushed ice. And then the next, I'm going to take my carbonate coconut water. Next is the garnish. Here you go, enjoy! So the next, we're going to make cocktail. So the first I'm going to do is Hendrick's gin, 1.5 ounce, which is 45 ml. And 1 ounce of syrup and citrus mix. So we're going to peel your cucumber. So you're using ice tongue and you grab your cucumber slice into your glass. So the next, we're going to take some ice ball from the fridge. So now you're going to shake your cocktails. So you need to take another ice. Then strain into your glass. So I'm going to take my carbonate water from the fridge. Then the last part is you need to top up your carbonate water and finish your cocktail. So we are done with mocktail and cocktail. It's really so refreshing, especially Singapore hot weather. But I prepare caprese for you to pair with your refreshing mocktail and cocktail. So I'm going to take from the fridge. So nicely done here. Here you go, enjoy!